Good morning. It is currently 8:15 in the morning and it is Thursday the 26th of February. Yes, my camera's shaky and we're going for a music video in Glasgow. Only joking. We're going to Ripon again.
Up and down, ground of clouds. Why'd you play that? Why'd you play that? I turn it round.
What's that you got there, Mr. Fenton?
Alright, so we've got the tripod down here, we've got the camera.
We
have this little stabilizer and it comes with
there we
these,
go, stabilizer.
lights, you know, you've got the speaker.
Speaker.
That can attach to the other side if you wanted to do two hands instead of one. But
Brilliant. Right, let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Oh yeah, up and down, ground of clouds. Why'd you play that? Why'd you play that? I turn it round, past the pound. Yeah, how did I do that? Yeah, how did I do that? Yeah, up and down, ground of clouds. Yeah, why'd you play that? Why'd you play that? I turn it round, past the pound. Yeah, how did I do that? Yeah, how did I do that?
Yeah, that's it. Watch video, like, subscribe.